Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Swahili vocabulary with Mango Languages step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Mango Languages website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access your language courses. Choose Swahili from the list of available languages. Once the course opens, familiarize yourself with the interface. Select the vocabulary section to start focusing on words and phrases. Begin with the basics by reviewing simple greetings and common expressions. Listen to the audio pronunciations to ensure correct pronunciation. Repeat each word or phrase aloud to practice speaking. Utilize the flashcard feature for effective memorization of vocabulary. Engage with the interactive exercises to reinforce what you have learned. Gradually move on to more complex vocabulary sets as you progress. Use the review sessions to test your retention of previously learned words. Set a daily practice goal to maintain consistency in your learning. Explore additional resources within Mango Languages, such as cultural notes. Immerse yourself in real-life applications by watching Swahili videos or listening to music. Consider joining online forums or language exchange groups for extra practice. Track your progress within the platform to stay motivated. Return to any sections you find challenging to reinforce your understanding. Make learning enjoyable by incorporating games or quizzes available on the platform. Remember that consistency is key to successfully recovering your Swahili vocabulary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.